today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, it is finally happening for Bitcoin. We've been waiting for weeks and months. What am I talking about? Well, a few hours, in fact, 4 hours or 4 to 5 hours before I am recording this here, actually 6 hours, sorry guys, 6 hours before I was uploading this video, Bitcoin, it's a trap. I was talking about how bears are trapping you and how Bitcoin is about to break out of this descending triangle. In fact, I was posting it also over on Twitter. I said Bitcoin breaking in the moment of the break. And of course, just before I was posting also this new setup, I called it BTC new setup 8 hours ago. I was updating you about every single step. And right now, of course, the question is, what is the next move for Bitcoin right now? What are the price targets? Or are we even going to break down once again? And this is yet another fake out. I want to talk about that. I want to talk about my multi-million US dollar trade, which is right now raking in 200,000 US dollars in a profit. You can see it right here. Let's talk about that. Let's go straight into the content. But once again, I would like to ask you guys, take a second out of your day. The last video got already 4,000 likes in like 4 hours. I really appreciate it. Let's pump this one up to like 8,000, 9,000 likes in total, please. Every single one. If every single one of you goes down, presses the like. It takes a second out of the day, but we can break records worldwide on crypto YouTube today. If you go down below, you press the like button. I would truly appreciate it. You don't have to. Still love you if you don't do it, but please, come on, guys. It's 1 second out of your day. Now let's go back into the content. And man, this is the violent breakout I wanted to see. Basically just a 4-hourly candle after my recording. We got it here. And now let's evaluate. Now let's examine. First of all, this was beautiful. Tested resistance, tested, eventually breakthrough. And not just a little bit here like these previous shaky fake outs here. No. That was a real one. And that is really beautiful. That is why I remain in my trade here. And also you can see the volume is not so bad. It's not amazing, but it's not so bad. Half of the 4-hourly candle has passed and it's bigger than most of the volume candles before. So eventually it is possible that it's going to be the biggest candle. That is a breakout volume candle. Not too bad. However, if you missed my previous video, press the bell button down below not to miss this one, the next one. But if you missed it for this short-term trade, it's probably too late as the price target is just 21,600. But here's the deal. If we are going back to the daily candles, you can see that eventually the target, and this is a risky one, guys, don't quote me on that, but this is the one I'm playing out for, is 29 to 31,000 US dollars. Actually our big support and resistance area, previously support, now turning into resistance right here over 1.5 years. We was forming a lot of support and resistance here at the 30,000 US dollar level. The price target of this higher time frame daily breakout pattern we had a few days ago. What I was also talking about is, and this is the most important one, the daily ribbon flip. I talked about it already 4 or 5 hours ago. The daily ribbon is about to flip bullish actually. And what we need for a confirmed bullish flip of the daily ribbon, dear ladies and gentlemen, is upwards movement, high volume support and follow through for Bitcoin. And this is what we are potentially seeing right now. Let me zoom in. You see the flip happened, the short-term moving average moving above the long-term moving average, Bitcoin being above the ribbon and the flip happening. If this continues and we are holding this momentum just for a few more days, then, dear ladies, let me quickly go back actually here to the face mode. Then, dear ladies and gentlemen, of course, that would be a very bullish sign, a sign we haven't seen for a very long time. However, this pump today is a Friday pump, and I do want to make sure that you understand that Friday pumps are by far not the best. Weekend pumps are the worst. Friday pumps are the second worst. What I want to see is Bitcoin usually pumping in the beginning of the week. If we are pumping on the weekend, a lot of big people are missing out on the weekend or just before the weekend, and now it is just before the weekend. And then very often the price gets pulled back towards Monday. So of course, during the weekend, don't expect too much, but this already is a movement I was waiting for. Let me know down below what you think about that. What do you think about the price targets? I would really love to know. And do not forget that I have down below not only the $4,450 in free bonus, no, another $8,000 in total on Bybit and BitGet. If you go down below, click register deposit, you can claim these bonuses if and only if you are an experienced trader and join me on crazy trades like this. But make sure that you know that this can be dangerous. If there's a liquidation, the trade is gone. Make sure you're an experienced trader, but if you are, claim the $12,000 down below as an deposit bonus. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see you very soon at the next one of Mmcrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye.